Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to know best books on sauna? If so, this video is for you. Today we share with you top sauna books. Let's dive in. Book number 1. Sauna. With a history going back at least 1,000 years, the sauna is ready for a new generation of enthusiasts seeking health, pleasure, and peace of mind, and Rob Roy is ready to recruit. If the sauna is just a bath, then Buckingham Palace is just a house. So writes sauna expert and intrepid do-it-yourselfer Roy in this new, updated version of the sauna. Book number 2. The best part of a sauna. Is it the dip in the cool lake at sunset? Or is there something even better about taking a sauna at Nana and Gramps' cabin? Boldly colorful illustrations and a playful grandchild enjoying time at the lake with grandparents create a book to be enjoyed by all generations. The last page provides information about saunas as a Finnish tradition. Book number 3. The hottest way to good health. Used by the Finns and others for centuries, the sauna is a way of deeply cleansing your body, improving your health and reducing stress. Great for new practitioner of sauna, it contains much useful information, including a discussion of health benefits that is not overstated. It explains what is happening to your body and how it benefits from excessive sweating. Book number 4. Be well. One of life's greatest pleasures is a day spent rejuvenating the body and nourishing the spirit. Humans have practiced self-care for centuries: Roman baths, the hammams of the Ottoman Empire, Japanese onsens, and Finnish saunas. Today, a new interest in self-care is redefining how we accomplish wellness, and there have never been more options. Book number 5. Sauna, How to Do It Right, by William Anderson. Thousands of people the world over have embraced the use of saunas for centuries, with the motivation being the health benefits it's associated with. Sauna detox the body, flushes out toxins, and helps with relief from pain, cleansing of skin, and improves cardiovascular functioning. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other sauna books? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our book's recommendations and tips. See you.